In this video, I'm going to share my review of the Planet Hollywood Cancun Resort in Mexico, which is an amazing modern 5-star all-inclusive. My name is Marilee Blair, and travel is my life. My goal is to bring you peak experiences exploring the world one video at a time with me, especially since I've been to 54 countries. So don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into the Planet Hollywood Cancun all-inclusive. My husband and I stayed here when it was still a brand new hotel, June 13 to June 19, 2021 for 7 days and 6 nights in the modern junior suite. That is about 581 square feet with a balcony garden view, which is a gorgeous new room. And the great perk of staying at this hotel is they all have a balcony with any room you get at this resort, which is a really nice standard. Planet Hollywood Cancun is located on the white sand beachfront of Costa, Mujeres, and it offers the perfect mix of activities so you don't get bored. It's one of the best places to enjoy a gorgeous beach to tan or walk on. There are a lot of pool options to choose from, and an amazing spa to relax, a fitness center to work out, entertainment activities, and plenty of tours to book utilizing Planet Hollywood's resort credit. So many places to grab drinks, and of course, so many amazing restaurants to enjoy with your all-inclusive package. This resort is great for families, couples, friends, bachelorette, bachelor parties, for a reunion, and of course, for weddings. Activities. There are a lot of activities to do while on property at the Planet Hollywood Resort Cancun. It reminded us so much of the Hard Rock Hotel with all the activities, party vibes, and that there is something for all ages, but with a newer modern twist. Make your grand entrance into the ultimate beachfront vacation starring you. You get to lounge in a poolside cabana, float down their lazy river, or you can get active with their water sports, the trampoline park, tennis courts, and more. From mini golf and basketball to snorkeling and yoga, you'll find everything you need to vacation like a star, which is their catchphrase at Planet Hollywood Cancun. And they offer so many free activities, so just make sure that you look at their schedule every day so you can see what their events are, so you can enjoy them, from the pool parties, the entertainment shows, and more. And if activities cost money, it will say it on the schedule. They also offer 9-hole mini golf course, a labyrinth, a supervised stars kids club for ages 4 to 12, a disco club, a movie theater, and daily nightly entertainment, and Planet Play, which costs money, and it's a trampoline park and arcade kids club. So this place really has something for every age. Tours. For tours, you can book great tours directly with the hotel concierge. So here is a screenshot that you can see from their website of some of the tours you can book, like going to Isla Mujeres, Xcaret, Explorer, or some of these other theme parks. You could do ATV riding, zip lining, seeing Chichen Itza, and more. And here are some you can experience at their hotel. Some of them do cost money, so you can experience the Hollywood Fast Drivers. This is a new excursion at the hotel where adrenaline is pumping as you go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds in either the exclusive 1933 Hot Rod or its epic rival, the 1965 Shelby Cobra. Put the pedal to the metal. And they also have Flow Rider. It does cost money. You get to ride on the endless Flow Rider wave. It's the ultimate simulated surf experience. So you can show off your surfing skills, try a little boogie boarding, or just enjoy the show of someone else doing it. And for free included, they have a lazy river, so you can float through the river and a grotto to the Blue Lagoon swim up bar and enjoy a freshly made cocktail or mocktail in the comfort of your tube. They also have the Shipwreck Cove Splash Park. This pirate-themed splash park features a pirate ship with kid-sized water slides, treasure chest, a waterfall, and the captain himself. Pools. Here are some of the pools and splash zones you can enjoy at the Planet Hollywood Cancun, so you can't get bored if you decide to stay and relax at the resort. Keep in mind, some cost money and some you can only access if you are part of the Star class or staying at the adult-only side. So there's the family pool, the Star class pool, adults-only pool, the Flow Rider surf wave pool, the lazy river, the Jurassic Splash Park, and Shipwreck Cove. Plus, don't forget to enjoy their gorgeous beach at a cabana and the beautiful ocean water for some swimming. Food. Now, there are 11 eateries and 11 bars on property to enjoy. So here are some of the restaurants that you can utilize for your all-inclusive package. You can use SoCal Gourmet Emporium. They have an amazing buffet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with culinary cuisine from around the world. There's Gusto Italian Trattoria, which is traditional Italian dishes. East Sushi and Teppanyaki Bar. It's a teppanyaki style eatery. So the main attraction here is the dinner show that their chefs perform while creating memorable, delicious meals right before your eyes. They also offer sushi at their sushi bar if you'd like sushi a la carte. There's also La Cocina Mexican cuisine, so that way you can enjoy some traditional Mexican food. You can enjoy Sunset Strip Steakhouse and Grill. Here you can enjoy premium cuts of the finest steak and a menu of lavish dishes served a la carte. Sutra Indian Restaurant and Hookah Lounge. You can order Indian cuisine a la carte. There's the Shores Beach Club and Restaurant, so you can get different food a la carte and enjoy a front row seat to stunning ocean views as you savor delicious grilled delicacies. There's also Overtime Sports Bar, so you can order some pub food. There's Guy's Burgers Joint, which is Guy Fieri's a la carte burgers and sodas. And then there's a Star Class Bar and Grill, so you can get a la carte food, but that's only for Star Class guests. And there's 6 Cents, which does cost money. It's the chef's table, so you can feast like a star with personalized fine dining. You'll get a private chef with a craft menu catered to your unique tastes for a meal that is sure to please your senses and make the highlight reel of your vacation. Again, this is not included in the all-inclusive package. And here are the bars list to enjoy from their website. Transportation. The Planet Hollywood Cancun is approximately 1 hour and 3 minutes, which is about 23.7 miles away from Cancun Airport. So the best way to get from the Cancun Airport to Planet Hollywood Cancun is by private transportation, which I highly recommend booking directly through Planet Hollywood Cancun to make it easier, and they're offering a promo on free transfers now, so make sure to look into that. Since we came here at a discount for my husband hitting a sales quota with the travel club that we are part of, some things were included for free for us, which were the airport transfers, which really helped us save money at a $200 value, since normally it costs at minimum at least $60 per way round trip. So overall, I would give this hotel 5 stars for all it had, since we loved how gorgeous and modern it was. There was just so much to do and enjoy on the property and different views to enjoy, and we loved the lazy river, the different pools, the architecture of the modern musical themed resorts, the pool parties, food options, and the fire show entertainment performance that we got to see. So I hope this review has helped you decide if you will enjoy the amazing Planet Hollywood Cancun Resort. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this video helpful, check out my Fives Beach Hotel in Playa del Carmen and Fives Oceanfront Hotel in Puerto Morelos, Mexico YouTube videos that people enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And remember to look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. Safe travels and see you next week.